Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Now that you have already made a Google account, let's proceed to making a YouTube account. So first, you have to go to the Google, and then this is what you are going to see. So on top, this part, so you can see there is no account that is being signed up yet. So what we will be doing is, since you have already made a Google account, so we will use that Google account in signing up here. So click this part on top. So in my case, I have already a lot of accounts here. So I'll be choosing, so pretending that it's your first time, so you have to click add account. But if it is not your first time, you will be adding another account. So click add another account. So after clicking that, you will be redirected to this interface. So I'm gonna enter the lock screen first. So it's still checking info. So here, this is what you're going to see. Okay, next. So I'll be entering my password. Okay, then proceed next if you are done entering your password. So at the bottom part, you can see yes, I'm in. So click that part. So click I agree. So after that, you will be redirected again, and you are going to click this part again on top, and you're going to select the account which you want to use. So in our case, we will be using irasimagalas37@gmail.com. So here, as you can see on top, this part, so I have already logged in my account. When you're going to go in here, select that part on top, this one, and then click Erindale Simagala with an arrow down, and then select add account for Ira Simagala. This one, this is our account. So we are now logged in into our, finally we have already our YouTube account. Yay! Finally we have already a channel. So as you can see, this is your channel. Okay, let's click that one. So when you create your channel, that is what you are going to see first. Again, let's go back. So click that part, your image on top, and then select your channel. So use YouTube as Ira Simagala, create channel. So your channel has already been successfully created. Yay! So we have now a new channel. So if you want to create one, that will be for our next video. Yay! Finally!